just had a wood knock or a rock thrown. That was a wood knock, yeah. Right behind us. We just passed. We're getting close now. Alright, we gotta be real quiet so we can get stuff on the video. Alright, so it sounded very close to us. It's right over there.
Yeah.
So there must be some ahead of us that they're warning. Holy crap. Here we go. They might have pushed this over too, this dead tree.
I thought Rick had done a wood knock.
I thought so too. Look at the way those trees are placed in between. I don't think that's deadfall. Yeah, look at that one. This is there. I know. Yep. Look at this. All right, now we're getting some action, guys. Remember, this is always the spot, Connie, because of that dead tree and those vines. See that dead stump? All right, we're getting into it. That was a wood knock. You heard your first wood knock. Yeah, he's all right.
I'm fine.
He's happy. See that boat over a tree? That's what they do. Wow, I gotta get a picture of that. That's what they do. It's some kind of marker for the females. See that, Connie? The bent over tree? Yep. So they must be... Yep. This is where the mother and the babies are. Okay. You want to do a wood knock? Or a whistle?
No teeth, can't do it.
I haven't been able to whistle since I got the new teeth.
All right. This is on video, guys. All right, we could do a wood knock.
I think we should all get dog whistle.
Mama and baby.
You know, dog whistle.
Okay. Connie's going to do a wood knock. There's... Okay. All right. Shh, 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 shh.
We can't hear it, but I bet they can, because
All right.
they go beyond our range.
Connie's going to do a wood knock. Go ahead. Just do one, yeah. That's the area that the wood knock came from. It's right back there. Oh, you see the boat over trees. All right. Now we're coming up to that swamp. That was a big one. I hope he picked it up. I see another boat over a tree back there. Yeah. This is the hot zone, guys. We're all right. Okay. Okay, see, I see a lot of boat over trees. Sign. There's another one over there. I don't know if you could see it. I'm going to try to zoom in, but... And it goes up pretty steep back here. I don't know if you could tell. Gotta keep our eyes and ears open. This is their zone in here. This is their zone. There's a swamp up here. That's where... it's scary. You see all these boat over things? There's several of them. And,
You think that's a market or
oh
territory?
yeah, we think, I did hear that the females do it and then pee on the end of it, and mark their scent for the males, but I'm not sure, but that's what I heard. Gotta be real quiet. Now you just notice, see how those trees are, you know, different tree structures that you see.
Mm-hmm.
Could be deadfall, but being it's in their zone, they might be doing this.
Well, you gotta look for the ones that are kind of like wedged into the crotch or
Mhm.
something that
Yeah.
don't look natural.
Right. Right. I gotta check the head of this trail.